Hello everyone. Today I will talk about the skill training program launched by ICAI, that is the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. So firstly, let us know what is skill training. CMA intermediate level students are given a training. Previously it was 100 hours computer training conducted by the concerned regions or chapters. Now it has replaced with skill training. Now let us understand why the institute has introduced a new skill training scheme. In the practical field, when a candidate goes for a job or an articleship training, the main thing that the employer looks for in the candidate is his or her skill to complete any work or his ability to grasp any skill. And through this skill training program, the students will get a wide exposure to various courses. Let us check the eligibility criteria for skill training. So, who are not eligible? Students who have taken admission in the intermediate level before 11th of August 2020 are not eligible for the skill training program. They are to undergo the 100 hours computer training conducted by the concerned regions or chapters. Who are eligible for skill training? Students who have taken their admission in the intermediate level on or after 11th of August 2020 are eligible for the skill training program, provided they have paid their full course fees. The components of skill training are SAP Finance Power User Training for 60 hours with SAP Learning Hub access. This access will be valid for 1 year. Secondly, student will be given training on Microsoft Office also. There Microsoft Excel for 25 hours, Word for 10 hours and PowerPoint for 5 hours. Another component of skill training is soft skill training. Here students will be given training on how should be their attitude, how to set goals, how to do time management, what should be the workplace etiquette, how to do teamwork, how to build their communication skills. That is, in soft skill training, student will be given the training on how to cope up with the practical world. Skill training program comprises of e-filing also. Here students will be given training on how to apply for PAN card, how to file income tax return, how to file TDS TCS return, GST return, custom duty return, how to create their digital signature. Now let us solve some basic queries about skill training. It is of 140 hours training, takes around 3 months to complete. System required an internet connection, and students can log in through laptop, tablet or mobile phone even. Attendance, yes, it is very important to attend sessions in order to pass assessment and gain knowledge. Opportunity to attend live online classes. Access to online live training classes will be allowed for 1 term only. Now let us talk about the assessment sessions. Assessment will be done through online mechanism after completion of the training sessions. Assessment is mandatory. Assessment test will be conducted in online mode only. Exam slots for online assessment will be announced in advance. The questions will be MCQ based. There will be no negative marking in the assessment test, and each assessment test will be of 2 hours, that is 100 marks. An intermediate student has to obtain at least 50% marks in aggregate in order to pass the skill training assessment. The students will get at least 3 attempts to clear the skill training assessment test. Certificates, yes, students will get training completion certificates for each training modules, that is SAP, Microsoft, soft skill and e-filing. And the access to skill training modules will be 10 months at least. What about the skill training materials or the study materials? Yes, it will be provided. Online course materials is available through SAP Learning Hub and Narji 360. Now, how the student will reach the institute to resolve any issues about skill training? For any technical support and query, you need to mail at skilltraining.support@icmai.in. For administrative support and query, please mail at skilltraining@icmai.in. And to explore the website, go to icmai.in. Then go to placement dashboard, then go to training. There you will see skill training for intermediate course. Click there, you will get all the details about skill training. Here you will get to know the skill training schedule, all about the assessment. If you want to access the skill training classes, the live classes and recorded classes both can be accessed from here. So that is all about skill training. Thanks for watching my video. To get regular updates, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.